Hi guys, you're watching Arc Habitu, especially for young innovative minds. In this video, we are going to discuss Nata mock test 1, which is a part of our Nata strategy day number 2. Okay, so this is not a full length mock test, but yes, we will do 2 full length mock tests before or prior to 2 days of examination, right? So it's included in our Nata strategy. So we will do that full length mock test. Okay, so this is a mini mock test which will not cover all of the portions of part B or neither all of the portions of part A, but yes, you will gather information from all of these mock tests which we are preparing for Nata strategy. Okay, and also we are covering topics in between these days of mock test, and also as in school and everything, if teachers can't cover their portions, then they will also take free periods. So in these sessions sometimes we will include more videos on the days which we opted for mock test. Okay, so yes, this is a question from part B. Electric field intensity is a quantity. So as I say in all videos of mock test like series, okay, you should know the answer by yourself, or you should check the answer by yourself and then come to the video, or else it will not be a revision. Okay, so electric field intensity is a vector quantity, that means B option. Now this is the next question. Find the total flux in a coil of magnetic flux density 12 units and area 7 units. This is a very basic question. We know that phi is equal to B dot A. As they have not given any angle, we can assume that this B dot A is simply B into A, and B is given as 12 units and area is given as 7 units, and this will give you 0.84. Why 0.84? Because there will be slight variation in the units and all. So we should check the unit of the given quantities and then decide the option. Okay. Okay. This is our next question. The direction of propagation of an electromagnetic wave is same as. You know that the peculiarities of electromagnetic waves is just like this. We can mark this as x, y and z coordinates. Let this be electric field, then this be magnetic field, that is, it will be perpendicular to the electric field, and the direction of propagation of wave will be perpendicular to both E vector and also B vector. Okay, that means the quantity among the options which decides the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave will be cross product of electric field and magnetic field, that means E cross B. Clear? Now the next question is this. In optical fibers, refractive index of the core is. So in order to have total internal reflection, that is this optical fiber is an application of total internal reflection. So in order to have the total internal reflection, the refractive index of the core should be greater than that of the cladding. Okay, so what will be our answer? That is A option, right? Okay, now NAND gate means, So this is a part of logic gates. You know that what is this and what is this. Okay, these are AND gates, and this is a this is OR gate, but this makes it a NAND gate. So what is a NAND mean? It is inversion followed by AND gates. Okay, a inverter is placed just beside the AND gate. Okay, so that is A option. Sorry, A options are not mentioned, but you should calculate in your mind that how much marks do you get if these much basic questions are included in the examination. Okay, self analysis is what we have to do in these last days of exam preparations. Okay, now this is which of the following does not contain calcium. We can check one by one. Limestone, never. Limestone is CaCO3. It does contain calcium. Marble is a, what is marble? Marble is unmetamorphosed limestone, right? So it also contain calcium. And chalk. Chalk is a form of limestone which is composed of calcite, so it does contain calcium. So if we are not knowing anything about talc, we can guess that this will be the right option, as we are sure with these things. Okay, talc is a silicate mineral. Okay, now this is which among the following formation is not an example of covalent bond? Such a simple question, and the answer is A, LiF. Okay, lithium fluoride. Okay, it's not through the transfer of or sharing of electrons, but it is the transfer of electrons that makes the molecule LiF or compound LiF. Okay, now the next question is, in which of the following substances will hydrogen bond will be strongest? The hydrogen bond is strongest in H2O. And this is our next question. Find the relationship between probable velocity, mean velocity, and root mean square velocity. Sorry, there is a slight difficulty in the options. That means the root and all those have not come in the options. So sorry for this question, we will exclude this question. Okay, we'll make it better in the next videos. Sorry about that. Now this is a question from Max. X and Y are two sets, then X intersection of Y union X will be. X and Y are simply two sets. Okay, we can make the Venn diagram, right? Let this be X and let this be Y, and there will be some intersection, and this will be X union Y. And what is X intersection Y union X? Y union X is the whole red thing, whole of the colored portion, and X intersection Y union X will be what? That will be a part common to X in Y union X. That is simply X. It is a basic and really easy question. Okay, now this is the next question, and I am not showing any of the solution. You can comment what you get. Okay, we don't need any explanation, just This is an MCQ, so do comment as an option. Okay, and this is the next question, and this is x square. Okay, and these all are x square. This is 2x itself. Now sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x, then tan theta is, I will give you a hint. Okay, make any of these in terms of either sec or tan and then find the answer. Okay, you have the formula your own, that is what is tan theta in tan square theta in terms of sec square theta, and what is tan square sec square theta in terms of tan square theta. So just make a quadratic equation on that and just find the value of tan theta in terms of x. Okay, now this is the first question from part A. How many differences can you spot out from this particular figure? That is our question. I am giving you time. You can check how many differences are there. Okay, time's out. So there are 6 differences in this figure. Hope you don't see the answer in the bottom of the figure. Okay, so there are 6 differences in this figure. Okay, now the next question is this: pick out 4 words to describe this image. There are many options you can describe. Actually, in the Nata exam, you are provided with the option to zoom the image. So I am zooming it for you. Okay, for some time you can pause the video and watch this carefully, the whole figure, and then go to the options. Okay, now what all can you find? Do comment the most 4 appropriate terms to describe this image. Okay, this art form is known as mandala art. You can check the mandala art in Chrome. You will see a variety and very interesting and traditional kind of patterns there. Yes, you can find out many images according to mandala art, and also you can try it yourself. It's very interesting. Now this is the next question from part A. Count the number of figures which best represents contrast. We can check. Before giving the solution, I will just zoom those images for you. Okay, hope you saw the images well. So we can check one by one. This, yes, represents contrast. This also have a contrast between the black and white. This is not as much contrasting, right? I hope so. Okay, so we can exclude that. And this, it's not contrasting, but it's emphasis. Okay, now this is contrasting. This is also contrasting. This isn't contrasting, and this, yes, has some contrast. right? And this, yes, has the contrast. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 images. Okay, now the next question is this: when we look at images including more primary colors for a long time and then look on a white or blank wall, the colors change. This effect is called, do you know? This effect is called opponent process. Okay, so I'm not detailing this effect so much, as I'm going to make a video on these visual fatigues and what are the biological effects of colors in the coming sessions for strategy. Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe, share, and comment.